There are multiple different types of firearms crimes and offenses. The list can go on forever, and in some other videos I'll talk about this more specifically. But to give you an example, there is aggravated battery with a firearm. There is burglary while armed with a firearm. There's robbery with a firearm. And as a general rule, if any type of crime has the magic phrase "with a firearm," that is serious. Now here's something that often people don't really pick up on that a skilled criminal defense lawyer automatically knows to look for, and this is what it is. Somebody may be charged with something with a deadly weapon. And so they think to themselves, oh, it's burglary with a deadly weapon or robbery with a deadly weapon. Let me explain something. The state attorney's office across 20 different circuits, a lot of them have criminal intake divisions for one or all counties that they happen to be located in within that circuit. And when that assistant state attorney doing intake on that criminal case sits there and looks at the fact pattern in the arrest reports, the offense report, the incident report, all the other stuff you didn't get when you got an arrest report, they look at that and they may file that as with a firearm. And this is critical. The police can charge you with one thing, but the state attorney's office, they're the ones that, they file the information of indictment or ask for a grand jury indictment. And since most cases in Florida involve an information of indictment, you don't want to be in a position where you've waited, you've dilly-dallied, you haven't hired a criminal defense lawyer, maybe you're afraid of the cost, maybe you didn't think you need one, only to find out, oh, with a firearm, and you're looking at a 3-year, a 10-year, a 20-year, or even a life sentence type of minimum mandatory. So if a firearm was involved, call a law firm immediately. We handle firearms cases. We've handled them literally for decades, and we'll do everything we can to help you.